Yo, welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing the 2024 Mustang S650, in particular, a cool feature that comes with it, and that is that you can rev the engine with the key fob, which is pretty cool. So what you're going to do is you're either going to auto start the car with the key fob, or manually start it by pushing the button. Then you're going to hold the lock and unlock button at the same time for 3 seconds, and it's going to rev to 2000 RPM. Letting you know that the feature has begun. Then you're going to hold the unlock and lock button once again, and it will rev 3 times all the way up to 5000 RPM. Now you can keep doing it and the engine will keep revving again, holding the unlock and lock button once again, and again it will rev 3 times all the way up to 5000 RPM. Honestly, it's a pretty cool feature, a pretty cool party trick if I do say so myself, and I am looking forward to testing it out on my 2024 Mustang S650 Dark Horse when it does arrive. But that is it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Take care, be safe, and I will see each and every one of you on the next one.